everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add music to your multiple photos post on Instagram. So let's get started. So here we are in our Instagram, and now from here what we're going to do is we're going to post. So since we are posting multiple photos, so we're going to go and tap here at the bottom middle, right here on the plus sign or the upload button, and then from here we're going to go and select multiple photos. So I'm going to tap here on select right here, so I'm gonna go click here on this button right here so I could select multiple photos. This is the button. As you can see, the button right there, I'm gonna select multiple photos right here to upload and tap on next right there. And now from here, once I'm done editing with this, if ever you'd want to apply some filters just like so, then you can also do that. But in my case, I'll just tap on next, and from here we have it right here. So to add a music, it's very simple. All we have to do is click here on add music option. You can choose your music right here, whatever you'd want. So you can choose this one right here, maybe it's this one, maybe that one. Then you can choose that and you can tap on it. And now we have our music. Tap on done, and then right there you can now tap on share and share post right there, and now it's posting. And once it's posted right here, and you would have sounds right here once you enable the sounds for here. And that is basically how you can do it. Thank you for watching.